Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing awesome. Today's video is going to be a vlog and I think you guys have figured that out already. Basically last 1.5 months से मुझे बिल्कुल time नहीं लग रहा था. My haircut is due since June. It's August right now, almost end of August, and my hair is a mess, so I need to get a haircut done. उसके बाद I'm thinking मैं hair spa भी करा लूंगी because बालों की हालत बहुत ज़्यादा खराब है इस time पे. And then since it's a Wednesday, basically it's my office day, but I took a day off to get things done, so I'm thinking jab off le hi liya hai, so I should just head to Vasant Kunj because I have to get a blazer from Zara. I have always wanted to get a blazer from Zara, honestly. By the way, I forgot to apply perfume and it's usually in my like a body mist is always in my car, so I'm gonna apply the 1000 Wishes from Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works से 1000. I think I did show you guys this particular fragrance in one of my hauls, so I think I am ready and let's just go now. Call myself the stupidest person alive, okay? Basically जिस salon से मैं हमेशा सब चीजें कराती थी, that got sealed 2 साल पहले, and last 2 years में I've tried VLCC and I've also tried Varun Atri, and दोनों बहुत आसपास है, so I thought कि जहाँ पे मेरे को मतलब कम भीड़ मिलेगी ना, मैं वहाँ जाके करा लूंगी, but turns out I was supposed to fucking book a slot and मैंने book नहीं किया है, so I thought कि जहाँ से मेरी मम्मा और मेरी बहन कराती हैं, I'll go and get my spa and everything done there.
इन हेयर्स को ना रिलैक्स मिल जाएगा, ये जैसे टूटे टूटे बाल है ना, फ्रीजी ये चीज़ सब खत्म हो जाएगी.
I am back in my car after 3 hours. मेरा पंप फ्राई हो चुका है इस टाइम पे and I feel like कि मैं सीधा घर चली जाऊँ and लेट जाऊँ. My thoughts. Number one, my hair is too short. I did not want it to be this short, but it is. And secondly, no, I did not get my hair rebonding वगैरह मैंने कुछ नहीं कराई है. It's just मैंने Botoplex treatment कराया है and I'm sweating really bad. Yeah. Just मैंने Botoplex treatment कराया which had this solution जिसको infuse करने के लिए they had to use the iron, which I'm really mad about. This was supposed to be a happy day. This was supposed to be a day wherein I spend some time with myself, take care of myself. But right now I'm so mad at myself.
Let's never leave this paradise. Here we stay together. The sun will shine forever.
Such a disappointment. मैं 30 किलोमीटर गाड़ी चला के आई हूँ. मैंने छुट्टी ली हुई थी just because I wanted this one particular blazer जो मुझे उनके ऐप पे दिखा था. It's not in the store. I thought ठीक है, let me just check out wide leg trousers. They did not have wide leg trousers. Anyway, I thought let's just get myself a donut because Zara के store के just बाहर Krispy Kreme है, so I thought donut ही खा लेते हैं. then I'm gonna show you in a while. Hi, I know मैं अपनी शक्ल इस vlog में like बहुत टाइम बाद दिखा रही हूँ. It's been 2 days that I filmed this vlog and I totally forgot उसके बाद, क्योंकि घर आने के बाद मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई थी. What I want to talk to you guys about right now is that what I got done to my hair. I think it's been 2-3 months मैं अपने बालों का बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं रख रही थी. And in case you guys have watched पिछली 4-5 videos, you will see यहाँ पे सारे में मेरे baby hair एकदम and it looked really weird. So I went to the salon and I told this guy कि मेरे को frizziness बहुत ज़्यादा है, and he suggested आप Botoplex करा लो because that is basically meant to tame all the frizz away. Obviously my hair is not gonna stay straight because no, that is not the deal I will ever sign up for. I'm gonna go inside the house, I'm gonna dress up and then show you guys what all I got from Vasant Kunj Promenade, and then I'm gonna head to the salon, get my hair wash done and probably pick up some groceries. Let's just talk about what all I got. और I saw Mango पे they had crazy sale and Mango के कपड़ों की quality it's amazing. It is amazing. Different sections थे जिसपे 30, 40 and 50 का sale चल रहा था. So first of all, I had to get this blazer. Try-on part मैंने obviously आगे डाल दिया है. So this is what the blazer looks like. And if you know me, then you know कि I kind of love Gingham. मैंने Urbanic से भी वो ड्रेस जो मंगाई थी सिर्फ Gingham के लिए मंगवाई थी, but it did not kind of fit me properly. But oh my god, this blazer is so pretty. And ये 50% off पे था. इसका original cost was 55-60 rupees, but I got 90 rupees, but I got 50% off. I know it's very expensive, but the quality of it is really nice. The next thing that I got from Mango is this pair of shorts. This is fall leather and मैं बहुत टाइम से fall leather shorts ढूंढ रही हूँ, like good quality leather shorts ढूंढ रही हूँ because number one, मेरा जो thighs है they are a little bit disproportionate to my waist. तो जो मुझे waist size आता है वो मुझे thighs पे fit नहीं होता है, तो मुझे हमेशा एक size up लेके फिर alter कराना पड़ता है. So when I found these and the fact that they look exactly like the ones that I wanted and quality अच्छी थी and 40% off thighs पे, so I was like I am not letting this go away. The next thing I got is this ice blue powder blue colored trousers. Now these are wide leg trousers and I love wide leg trousers because they're very comfortable. The original price of this was 3600 rupees and I got it for 50% off. Now Mango से निकल के I went to H&M and I found the best oversized t-shirt ever. Now this is, एक तो पहले से इसका oversized fit था, ऊपर से मैंने large ले लिया. I fit into a medium. I went for a large. So this is a t-shirt that my sister, my brother and I, all three of us can wear. It's the UCLA t-shirt, oversized fit है, and this looks so good on wearing. You'll see me wear it on Instagram very soon. So make sure to follow me there. So yeah, these are the 4 things that I got. बारिश शुरू हो चुकी है. I can hear it. तुम्हें भी आवाज़ आ रही होगी. बारिश शुरू हो चुकी है. ऐसा कैसा व्लॉग कि जिसके अंदर बारिश ना हो, राइट? मैंने 2 व्लॉग्स बनाए हैं, दोनों के अंदर बारिश हुई है. So I'm gonna get a cab. I'm not gonna drive. I'm gonna get a cab and get to Kamla Nagar and get this thing. उसके बाद मेरी ड्रेसिंग हुई, उसके बाद आज मेरी फिर से ड्रेसिंग हुई है, उसके बाद अब बाल वॉश हो रहे हैं. लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. to do the outro again, and this baby wants to cuddle right now, but I forgot to do the outro. And yeah, I just had so much fun. That was it for the vlog. I'm gonna get better at vlogging and do the outros along with the vlog, but I've decided to do a lot more of these because these are fun to do, and I really hope that you like this one. I'm gonna get back to my baby, and I'm gonna see you guys very soon.